Hi friends, welcome to excelhub.org. In this video, we'll see how to look up picture in Excel with index match formula. So we all know that in VLOOKUP formula we can trace the data or information available in a table and retrieve that information to the VLOOKUP formula. In case if we want to retrieve image in from a table, so how we can do that? VLOOKUP formula cannot retrieve the picture from the table, but with the help of index match function we can do that. So in this video we'll discuss how we can do that. First step to do this is to prepare the data table. In that data table we'll have to fit each picture to one particular cell. So the table in this example, you can see the table contains musical instrument name and the picture. So you can see each picture is fit into one cell. Okay, so this is first step, and after this we have to create a name. So we'll have to define a name with index match formula. So I have already created a name for this. I will show you that. So the name is defined as picture lookup, and in that I have entered index and match formula. So this formula basically will look the value entered in E2 and will retrieve the matching information in column B. Okay, so I have created a name with picture underscore lookup with index match formula. After that I will have to copy any picture from this list and I'll have to paste here, and for that picture, by selecting that picture I'll have to enter the name which I have defined with index match function in the formula bar, starting with equal sign. If we start typing the name, it will show the name, so we can select that. So press enter. So now the picture lookup is ready. For selection purpose we can create a drop down list so that we can easily select the lookup value. You can see, yes, if I change the name of musical instrument, it will change the picture image also.